I started by drawing a circle. This will become the moon. Then I began painting the night sky. I used black at the top, then red, and finally orange. I blended the colors to make a smooth gradient from dark to light. Remember to keep the lightest color around the moon, that makes it glow. Greater than after the background was done, I used black paint to make the foreground. Then I added a tree on the left side. Its branches are bare, twisting upward like they're reaching for the moon, a classic eerie vibe. After the main shapes were in place, I added smaller details, a few extra tree lines, windows on the house, and textures in the ground. These small touches really help pull the scene together and make it feel alive, even without any characters. I painted a simple shape of a spooky house, a stream flowing in the middle, and a tree on the left side. Greater than then I added some more details to complete the scene. Finally, I added highlights to make the painting stand out. At last, I painted the moon and gave it a nice, realistic texture to finish the look. And that's it, a red moon nightscape, created using simple techniques in a moody color palette. Let me know what you think, and feel free to try this yourself. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed.